Come back to subscribe, please. Today we're diving into Trust AI and its associated crypto coin, the $TA token. Trust AI itself is focused on artificial intelligence solutions, and the $TA token is integral to its ecosystem. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of how to buy the $TA token, which is available on exchanges like MEXC Global. We'll also touch upon the various blockchains involved, including BNB, Linea, and the Binance Smart Chain, or BSC, especially in relation to the token generation event, or TGE, and its wider availability. USTA.ai aims to provide a key set of functionalities that center around leveraging artificial intelligence. The core functionality is focused on description from video, with its AI aspect being applied to description from video, ultimately providing potential benefits to description from video. The target audience includes description from video. $TA token is central to the Trust.ai ecosystem, and it's important to understand its role. Let's break down the tokenomics, which includes the total supply, how the tokens were initially distributed, and the allocation strategy. We will also cover the utility of the token, such as staking to earn rewards, participating in governance decisions, and its role in covering transaction fees within the Trust.ai platform. Finally, we'll highlight any unique features or benefits that come with holding $TA tokens. Read what you need to know about the Trust.ai token generation event, or TGE. First, let's talk about the date and time when the TGE happened. Next, we'll cover the price of the $TA token during the TGE. Following that, we'll discuss where you could have participated in the TGE. If it's already passed, we'll let you know. It's also important to go over any crucial instructions and warnings related to the TGE. Finally, we'll break down the lockup periods, if any, that were in place for the newly generated tokens. Let's explore how to buy the $TA or Trust.ai token on MEXC Global. MEXC Global is a great option due to its availability and trading volume for this particular token. Let's break down the process step by step, beginning with creating an account on MEXC Global, which is your first step. Next, you'll need to complete the KYC verification process, which is standard for most exchanges. Once your account is set up and verified, you'll need to deposit funds such as BNB or USDT to your MEXC account. After your funds have landed, you can navigate to the $TA trading pair, which will allow you to exchange your deposited crypto for $TA. You can then place a buy order, either a limit order where you specify the price, or a market order for an immediate purchase at the current market price. Finally, just confirm the transaction, and you'll be holding $TA. Remember to carefully check all details before confirming any transaction. Right, let's dive into acquiring $TA, the Trust.ai token, on the BNB Smart Chain, also known as BSC. To get started, you'll need the $TA contract address on BSC, which will allow you to interact with the token. The primary method for purchasing $TA on BSC is through decentralized exchanges, or DEXs, like PancakeSwap. To walk you through the process, first you'll connect your wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet, to the PancakeSwap platform. Next, you'll add the $TA token to your wallet, so it can recognize the token when you make the swap. Then, you'll actually swap your BNB, or another token you hold, for $TA. It's important to understand slippage tolerance, which is the acceptable difference between the expected price and the price at which the transaction executes. Finally, keep in mind the risks associated with buying on DEXs, such as impermanent loss, which can occur when providing liquidity to a pool. Right, let's talk about the $TA token on the Linea blockchain. First, you'll need the $TA contract address on Linea. With that, we can explore using available decentralized exchanges, or DEXs, on Linea to buy $TA if they exist. We'll walk through a step-by-step guide, similar to what you might see on the Binance Smart Chain, but tailored for Linea. This includes connecting your wallet to the Linea network, which is essential, and then adding the $TA token to your wallet so you can see your balance. If needed, we'll cover bridging funds over to Linea from other networks. Finally, the most important part is actually swapping your ETH, or other tokens, for $TA on the Linea network. Investing in cryptocurrencies comes with inherent risks, most notably the high volatility that can affect your investment's value significantly. Security is paramount. Make sure you safeguard your wallet and private keys to prevent unauthorized access. Remember to always do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. And finally, please keep in mind that this information is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please. In conclusion, let's quickly recap how you can buy the $TA or Trust to AI token. Remember, you can find it on MEXC, the BNB chain, also known as BSC, and the Linea network. We highly encourage you to join the Trust2.ai community across platforms like Telegram, Twitter, and Discord, so you can stay up to date with the latest news and developments. Finally, remember to invest responsibly and always stay informed about your investments.